Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer an IRA to Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign in to your account. Now tap on Retirement from the bottom menu. Then tap on the three lines or the settings icon. Here scroll to the Actions section. Now tap on Transfer in an external IRA. Robinhood will ask what type of IRA you want to transfer. Select either traditional IRA or Roth IRA depending on your existing retirement account. Next, choose the brokerage where your IRA is currently held. You can either enter your account details manually or connect directly to your brokerage if that option is available. Now follow the on-screen instructions and provide the required account information. Review all the details carefully before submitting your transfer request. Once submitted, Robinhood will contact your current brokerage and begin the transfer process. You can track the progress of the transfer from the retirement section of the Robinhood app. Keep in mind that only eligible IRA assets can be transferred. If you're moving funds from an old employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k, you may need to complete a rollover instead of a transfer. Robinhood may also reimburse transfer or account closing fees charged by your previous brokerage, up to $75 for qualifying transfers. After the transfer is complete, your retirement funds will appear in your Robinhood IRA and will be ready for investing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.